Hey there. Welcome. Today, I want to share a simple yet powerful idea with you. It's about living in the present moment and how it can help you thrive. You see, life often feels like a race, constantly chasing the next big thing. But what if I told you that the key to happiness and success is right here, right now? It's all about embracing the present. Take a deep breath with me. In and out. Feel that? That's you being present. It's a beautiful place to be. No stress from the past, no worry about the future. Just this moment. When you focus on the present, you open yourself up to a world of opportunities. You notice the little things, the sounds, the smells, the feelings. These small moments can bring immense joy. Imagine savoring your morning coffee, not just drinking it, really tasting it, feeling the warmth, smelling the rich aroma. That's living in the present. Now let's talk about mindfulness. It's a practice that helps you stay grounded. Start your day with a few minutes of mindful breathing. Close your eyes, inhale deeply, and exhale slowly. Focus on your breath. Feel it fill your lungs and leave your body. Throughout your day, take moments to pause. Notice your surroundings. Engage fully in whatever you're doing. Whether it's working, eating, or spending time with loved ones. Living in the present doesn't mean ignoring your goals. It means appreciating the journey. Each step, each breath, each moment. So the next time you feel overwhelmed, remember to pause, breathe, and bring yourself back to the present. It's here that you'll find the peace and clarity you need to truly thrive. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, stay mindful and be present.